Hi, I'm Brett with LifeXMastery. Today's video article is going to be about how to have an approachable and attractive looking face instantly. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button below. This will help our channel grow, and YouTube will start displaying our videos in searches around the world. And if you want to follow us socially on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us under LifeXMastery, and we'd love to have you. You were born with one or the other. It's inevitable. You either have a face that tells people, hey, come talk to me, I'm awesome. Or, you have the other one, where people look at you and instantly dart their eyes, turn around and walk away. You either have a nice face to look at, or you have what people commonly refer to as resting bitch face. Regardless of what kind of face you have, in this video I'm going to give you 7 proven tips to make your face look more attractive and more approachable instantly. But first I want to share my thoughts on facial attraction. I believe that every single person was born and has their own unique beauty. Some people know it and utilize it, and then there are people, depending on how they were raised or talked to, may not necessarily feel or see their own beauty. But regardless of who you are, or where you live in the world, and no matter what someone may have said to you, or made you believe about yourself, you already possess an attractiveness that nobody else has. I chose to make this video to give you some tips that I've learned through my life to help you accentuate the unique looks you already have. Alright, let's get started. The first tip is going to come naturally, but it's one of the most crucial important tips to having a more attractive, rejuvenated looking face. Tip number 1. Getting good sleep. Sleeping is so important because it helps rejuvenate your body. Sleeping helps with stress, it helps with muscle growth, and it helps your skin to look bright and fresh. Lack of sleep, or oversleeping, can make your face look tired and dull, and can slap dark circles under your eyes. Sleeping is hugely beneficial for so many facets of your life. So, if you want to instantly look better, I recommend that you get yourself on a sleeping schedule, and get a good 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night. Tip number 2. Drink more water. We see people every single day gulping down energy drinks, Gatorade and soda pop. And although those beverages are primarily filled with water, they're also full of sugar and caffeine, and other ingredients that dehydrate your body and help dull and wear out your skin. Our bodies are made up of primarily water. The recommended amount of water a person should drink a day is about 8 glasses or more. Our skin contains roughly 64% water. Our muscles and kidneys are 79% water. Our brain and heart are composed of 73% of water. And our lungs are about 83% water. You can easily set a reminder on your phone or smartwatch to help you start a consistent drinking pattern. Tip number 3. Start eating the right foods. You've heard that saying before. You are what you eat. And that's absolutely true. Just look at the obesity facts in the world today. We are inundated with fast food everywhere. Saturated fats, sugars, candy, soda pop at your instant disposal. And all that does is feed our fat cells and tear down our bodies. Now you can eat some of that food sometimes, especially if you have a good workout regimen and you can burn that type of food off. Always be mindful of what food you choose to eat, because that food will reflect through your face and your skin. Our skin gets nourishment from the minerals and the vitamins from the foods that we eat. So, adding vegetables and fruits and proteins and grains, these are essential to our skin makeup. Also, if you are fighting acne and pimple breakouts, you can save yourself a ton of money on all those creams if you set up a proper nutrition plan. Now if you've been paying attention, you've noticed so far, the tips I've given you are things that happen from the inside of your body, out. If you get better sleep, if you drink more water, and you eat better food, your skin will become noticeably more attractive instantly. So what can you do for your skin from the outside? Our skin cells die all the time, and that contributes to our skin sometimes looking dry, flaky and dull. Tip number 4. Exfoliate your face at least once a week. You can go to the store and spend all kinds of money on exfoliation treatments that remove dead skin cells. Or you can use just equal parts of warm water and baking soda and rub it on your face in small circular motions, kind of like giving yourself a facial massage. Tip number 5. Find a way to stop touching your face. People are constantly touching or putting their hands and fingers on their face. They take their dirty fingers and scratch their face. They take their fingertips and try to pop pimples or facial blemishes. But our hands and fingers are full of dirt and oil. And each time we touch our face, that dirt and oil from our hands and fingers clog our pores, and clogging of the pores helps create wrinkles and fine lines faster than nature intended. The same goes for the cold and flu season. Have you ever wondered how people get so sick so fast? Aside from catching an outright sneeze in your face or mouth, people are constantly touching things, and then rubbing their eyes, picking their nose, picking their teeth and touching their face, transferring the germs from their hands straight to their body. Get in the habit of not touching your face so much and you might stay healthier, along with having better looking skin. Tip number 6. Use daily moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin helps to balance it out to avoid any future skin problems like dry, flaky skin and acne. Skin types vary. You may have to go through a series of different moisturizers that work with your skin. Some people have dry skin, where a skin cream would work better. Some people have oily skin, where lotions come into play better. Moisturizers will also help your skin to look younger longer, and help keep it healthier too, especially on your chest, neck, ears and face. And that's because these areas are constantly losing skin cells, leaving it vulnerable to daily elements that cause your skin to become dry, dull and flaky. It's also a good idea to moisturize after a bath or shower, because you strip your skin of the moisture it had when you washed it with soap and water. Now the final tip to instantly gaining a more approachable and attractive face took me years to realize and come to appreciate. Tip number 7. Smile. Smiling is so important for opportunities in business, in relationships, and to be perceived as a healthier, happier person. Smiling is infectious, and studies have proven that even fake smiling can instantly make a person feel in a happier state. And if you're happy, other people will be happy to be around you. So regardless of who you are, or where you come from, if you get good sleep, you drink more water, you eat better food, you stop touching your face, use some light moisturizer, and you give nice, genuine smiles, you too can have a more approachable and attractive looking face almost overnight. There are so many more ways to make your face look more attractive and approachable, and I know you have ideas that you can share. So, leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below, and help other people around the world to have a more attractive and approachable looking face. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up.